Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Minor IV wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you're trying to figure out how to pair them with your iPhone, with your Android phone, with your tablet or your computer or anything like that. Now, once they've been paired, every time you take them out, they will automatically connect. But if you're trying to set them up new, or if you're trying to change the ones that the device that it's paired with, or if it gets disconnected somehow, we can go through this process. It's really easy. All we want to do is we're going to have our earbuds in the case like so, and then open the case as shown here. And then we're just going to find the button that's on the bottom of the case on the left, right on the bottom left side of the case right here. And we're just going to press and hold it for a couple of seconds until the main light on the front of the case starts to pulse blue. Once it starts pulsing blue, then we can go ahead over to our phone or other device and select these earbuds from the list of available devices. And from there, it should automatically pair with that device. Now, if it's not doing that, if it's not working, if it's like stuck paired to something else or it's not pairing, you can try to do a factory reset that will clear all the pairing history off of it and set it up new. And I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. If this video worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it.